Hello everyone, my name is Michael Calhoun and I have been part of a governmental agency in one form or another for the past 17 years. During this time period, I have noticed a significant issue: employee engagement. Now, I am not alone in this issue. In an article posted on Gallup titled "The State of the American Workplace Report," they concluded that only 30% of workers are engaged. That means that 70% of employees are disengaged in one form or another. This class helped make it very clear that to effectively address the problem of employee engagement, that my concept of the issue at hand needed to change. And to remedy this solution, I set out to answer the question: how can governmental agencies develop engaged employees? I approached this situation both individually and as a team composed of individuals who represented multiple departments and varying levels of experience. Our team was able to identify three core aspects to increasing employee engagement. That included company culture, job design, and personal development. To arrive to this conclusion, myself and our team utilized a number of problem-solving processes to highlight and explore solutions to the problem of employee engagement. This process challenged our team's thought process, as well as our personal beliefs, and helped our team focus on what could be achieved at the lower levels of a governmental agency. This process highlighted practical solutions that we believe could be implemented by any governmental agency looking to increase employee engagement. To effectively solve a problem must first be well defined. Our team utilized the cause and effect analysis to analyze the problem and discover its root causes through brainstorming. Throughout this process, our team was able to detail the causes of employee disengagement and were able to sort those ideas into categories. We accomplished this simply by asking, why does this happen? The five core components of employee engagement that our team discovered were team members, culture, job design, employee engagement, and personal development. To analyze our findings, our team utilized the devil's advocate process to build a case against our findings. The process was quite comprehensive and challenged the level of commitment from the team members that were engaged in the process of resolving the issues at hand. As a group, we narrowed down the possible solutions to three that we wanted to analyze from the perspective of the devil's advocate, and included company culture, personal development, and job design. This narrowed our focus and allowed our team to utilize a weighted ranking matrix to identify the top solution of the three that we had identified at this stage of the process. The weighted ranking method is a tool where proposed solutions are ranked based upon their effectiveness in addressing and resolving the issue at hand. Our team focused on identifying factors that were beneficial to both the employee and the employer. The primary factors that we determined were important for employee engagement included self-motivation, communication, input, accountability, and feeling valued. Our team assigned a ranking of 1 to 5 for each of these primary factors, with 1 having no direct influence and 5 representing great influence. These factors were then multiplied by the solution's relative importance to create a total score for each of the solutions. After performing the analysis, culture was determined to be the top-ranked solution mathematically, closely followed by personal development and job design coming in third. Leaders can make bad decisions. The process of identifying and analyzing decisions that weigh the details, risk, and consequences can be accomplished by utilizing a process decision chart, or PDPC, and detailing an implementation plan. A PDPC displays options and opportunities available while also identifying what may happen in response to selecting those options. By utilizing the PDPC, you can either revise the plan to avoid the problems or be ready with the best response when a problem actually occurs. You can find the details of our implementation plan here. You will notice that the process of design, present, receive feedback, modify, and represent is a common theme in our implementation plan. Our team felt as though this process would allow everyone's opinions to be heard and potentially addressed while simultaneously ensuring that team members at each level of the organization understand and agree to what is being requested. Developing a culture and highlighting aspects of job design that supports the needs and desires of employees is an ethical consideration that governmental agencies need to highlight. On the contrary, employees themselves have an ethical obligation to their employer to do their best at developing themselves so that they themselves are happy, healthy, and productive members of the organization. Employee engagement within governmental agencies requires the acceptance and implementation of ideas from employees of varying levels within the organization. Understanding this fact in regards to governmental agencies can help direct the thoughts, questions, and processes that result in solutions that are effective. This process requires a commitment from both the staff and the organization. One cannot succeed without the commitment of the other.